Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Doordasher Nick and Beef Fish, who are Benjamin Balbowski. I think that's what his name is, right? In traffic in this rain, Doordashing. I'll put the video back on when something interesting happens. Of course, we're in back of a Jersey driver, so you know, not going to be able to move anywhere. But my bad. It was Florida.
Same thing, they're both on the coast.
I'm a jit. Oh, this should be good.
What are you recording?
What do you mean?
You're recording, aren't you?
No.
Yes, it is.
It's on pause. It is getting crazy out of hand out here as my partner just tried to sabotage me.
This is on sabotage!
But you know, we're an adult channel, so.
Where do you see us get naked? With an elephant trunk?
Yo, Joe.
I use it as my...
It's now raining very hard. Hard like the Big Ben Balbowski. And the off-ramp is closed, we think. We're not sure. I'll keep you posted with when we start the dash or... Yeah, I guess it is closed.
I was getting ready to say, I'm going. Swear to God.